Hello everyone, welcome to the Wonderful Channel. We are currently exploring an island in the middle of Mikawa Bay in Aichi Prefecture. It takes just 25 minutes by ferry to get to Sakushima from Isshiki Port in Nishio City. It is an island famous for the art scattered all across it. In the last video, we visited the Nap House and other art installations around the island's western port. Of the 24 art installations scattered around the island, we were only able to show some of them last time. So we rented bicycles to see more of them for this video. What wonderful artworks will we see today? With that out of the way, let's hit the road. We cruise along the coastside road on our bikes. The wind is a little strong, but seeing such beautiful seaside scenery as we cycle by is so nice. Here we are at the next art installation. The fifth one of our trip is the Northern Ribbons. It's shaped like a ribbon, gently tying the forest, sky, and sea together. We immediately climb to the top of it, and it's also a fantastic lookout point with a gorgeous view of the ocean. Let's take a photo here with the ocean behind us. As we continue our ride along the coastal road, we come across the sixth installation. This is called The Place to Think of the Stars. This installation is made of pebbles and seashells washed up on the beach. And when you look down at it from above, it's like a little galaxy you can dive right into. Is it a glimpse of the mystifying starry sky above Sakushima at night? With the mountain road behind us, we come upon a town in the East Port area. We're getting hungry. Let's have lunch here. We want to taste the fresh seafood of Mikawa Bay. So we ordered a sashimi set meal, a large donburi dish topped with asari clams, and a Japanese set meal with simmered fish. We also ordered a side of Sakushima's specialty, octopus sashimi. We couldn't be more delighted with the fresh island seafood. Now that our bellies are full, we're going to take a little stroll around on foot. It doesn't take long before we spot the seventh art installation. This is the East House. The East House is two square buildings connected by a long bench. It is located on the opposite side of the bay to the Nap House, which we showed in our last video. It's even painted white to contrast with the black of the Nap House. This is a popular spot where you can take fun, artsy photos, like album covers. Let's quickly take some. We'd love to spend more time here, but we still have more places to see. So let's move on to the next area. There are many temples and shrines around the East Bay area. This shrine, the Hakken Shrine, has more than 1,000 years of history. Let's pray for a successful trip. At this temple, called Shonenji, there is an art piece that looks like a Buddha statue. It is the 8th installation, Sea God. We hear that it is the god of fishing. And yes, that there on its head is indeed a fish. What a silly little god this one is. Anglers who come to the island become young children again, obsessed with fishing. Perhaps it is the abundant sea that surrounds Sakushima that makes them so. Time to get back in the saddle to make our way to the southernmost point of Sakushima. We'll leave our bikes here for now and walk to the next installation. On the southernmost tip of Sakushima is a place called Tsushima, a sacred island dedicated to Benten-sama, a Japanese Buddhist goddess and one of the 7 lucky gods. Apparently, the people here worship Benten-sama in a slightly unusual way. What do they do exactly? This is the only path that leads to Tsushima. You can take pictures holding up the sun like this. It's like we're walking on the ocean water. This is Tsushima. Unlike shrines we usually visit, to make a wish here, you have to write your wish on one of these wishing stones. You can make a wish like that here for just 300 yen a pop. Let's wish for the success of the wonderful channel. When you've written your wish, you offer your stones here, and you're done. The 9th and final art installation we'll show you today is the Seagull parking lot. There is a line of adorable seagulls heading out to sea. Is the sound of them moving in the wind supposed to sound like the cries of seagulls? And before we know it, the sun is beginning to set. The sunset on Sakushima is exceptionally stunning. Our trip was over in the blink of an eye, but we had a wonderful time in Sakushima. How was our trip to Sakushima Island, the island of art? And the many artworks here that embrace the nature they're surrounded by. As time passes and the seasons change, we wonder how different these artworks will look at different times. We were only able to show you a small sample of the artworks here, with a total of 24 scattered around the island. We hope you will come and see the art for yourself when you visit Japan. We're looking forward to hearing from you in the comment section. Here on this channel, we still have many more wonderful experiences in Japan to share with you. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along with us today. See you in the next video.